Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reuse an old canvas painting for a new painting. So the way you can do that is very easy. So if your painting has some textures on it and some ridges and bumps from the paint, you're going to want to use a sand block to smooth everything out so that when you go over with the paint you get a nice smooth surface. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my sand block and I'm just going to sand the top of my canvas. And you're going to want to go ahead and feel the canvas just to see if, you get that nice smooth surface. If not, you just go back in and sand. So you can do a nice sweep with your hands, or you can use a cloth to just clear the top of your canvas as well. So once you have that done, what you're going to do now is you're going to take gesso. So gesso is basically a binding agent, and it's a really great way for your acrylic to stick onto your canvas. And the reason why we're going to be using gesso for this part, I don't have to use my titanium white paint for this, but also I really want to ensure that I get the best binding for my acrylics on the canvas. And if you want to know the specific type of gesso that I use in this video, as well as the specific type of brush, be sure to check the video that I have in the description below of all the art supplies that I use for every single one of my videos. So I'm just going to open this up. Okay. Yeah, and you'll see it looks very similar to a white acrylic paint. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the biggest brush that I have, so I can go ahead and use my flat wash brush. If you have a bigger brush, you can go ahead and do that. There's really no real technique when it comes to this. So I'm just going to dip my wash brush into the gesso, and then what I'm going to start to do, cover the canvas with some gesso. So once you got your first layer down, you can actually go ahead and add a second layer so you get optimal coverage. If you don't really care about some of the previous colors showing up because of your next painting, you can stop at this point and you can be done. But if you do want to cover it one more time and really get more of a white finish, you're just going to go ahead and make a third layer. You now have a freshly cleaned canvas that is primed and ready for your next painting. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel so you can see more helpful videos from me in the future. Alright everybody, see you later!